Hello guys, and welcome back to Unknown's Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix low FPS in JDM Japanese Drift Master. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is the most important one, and that is going to be just go into just launch the game and go ahead and turn down all your graphic settings. So go ahead and just turn down everything from high to medium or from medium to low, etc. That will greatly boost your FPS, and that is one of the main things you guys can do. Another thing you guys can do is lower your resolution. However, I don't really prefer this because it does make your game look a little bit worse, and it's kind of noticeable. But again, if you need the FPS, like if your FPS are suffering, then I guess you can do that as well. Just lower down your resolution. And now another thing you guys can do is update your drivers, and you can do that by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager. From the device manager, make your way over to display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now this is one way of updating your drivers. Another method is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly and then going over to drivers and then updating them from here. Now once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go. You can always try restarting your PC as well, and that should help fix the issue. Now that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.